Hey, and welcome to just another day in my life. Oh my goodness, you guys. So I decided to come back up here and let you guys know that I just got finished cooking dinner and we ate good too. We just got through eating, and there are a few other things that I'm trying to get situated right now. And I looked in the laundry room, and there was a slew of clothes that needed to be washed. So I took the initiative to go ahead and finish washing those clothes, and I dried them. So now I figure, why not just go on camera and just fold up those clothes and chit chat with y'all just to see what y'all are up to. Because I'm telling you, today was a beautiful day. It was amazing. The weather is just doing us a little bit of justice now. Here in North Carolina, the weather is fabulous. I hope that you guys are doing well today, this evening, or wherever you're at around the world, early in the morning, late in the afternoon, or in the middle of the night, or wherever you are. I hope y'all doing great because I am. I am just on cloud nine. It's just been a wonderful day for me, and I've gotten quite a bit of things done today. I like it when I can accomplish my goals. I set goals early in the morning to do all the things that I need to do, and I get it done. So that is the one thing that I really like. So, yeah, so I'm just going to sit here and try to get some of these clothes folded up, you guys. And I had quite a bit of them that I missed that I thought I had already finished and completed them, but nothing doing. Uh, I took care of it, got them washed, dried, everything. So I'm getting it done. Okay? It's nothing like getting things that over there accomplished. So tomorrow, you guys, I'm going to be going out. Um, well, I'm going to volunteer at the outreach center tomorrow because normally that's what I do at least sometimes 5 days a week, sometimes 3 days a week. It varies. It really depends on how I'm feeling for the day, you know. So there are some days I don't feel too well, and I may just go 2 or 3 days a week. But yeah, tomorrow I will be going to our local outreach center and do a little volunteering. That's something that I really enjoy doing. It's nothing like giving your time and doing something that's going to keep you focused and keep your mind going on a daily basis. You want to feel like you're giving back. That's pretty much how I feel. Like I know I've worked for many years in my life, and I really enjoyed it. And then there came a time when I couldn't work anymore. I got uh, sick uh, with heart failure, so therefore I couldn't work. So, but now I do a little volunteering on the side. Nothing, absolutely nothing strenuous, okay? Nothing strenuous. I would never do that, you know. Just, it means a lot to me to be able to help others and to give back. You know, what we do there is to help those who are in great need of food, clothing, shelter, and so forth. You know what I'm saying? So for me to be in the midst of it and to be helping others uh, that are in need, it does something. It just fills my heart with joy knowing that I'm able to do something that's helping somebody else. See what I'm saying? It means a lot to me. And here in our little small town, there are quite a bit of people that are in need of help, because it's nothing like feeding, you know, the poor, or what you would say those who are just making ends meet, or more or less living paycheck to paycheck, and and they need a little something to get them by from a day-to-day basis. And I I enjoy it. I do. And there are a lot of people who come and they uh, need clothing and stuff like that, and um, they're able to get what they need, and God makes a way. He does. He does. So, yeah, those are just some of the things that we do down there, and then, however, we have some that will go out in the neighborhood and give to those who are not able to come to the center. They will go out in the neighborhood and fill the bags up with food and give the people what they need, especially those who have health issues or on disability and they cannot make it down there. And I think it's a good thing to be able to help the needy and to go out like that and help with those who can't, do a lot of things for themselves anymore. They've gotten older, so it has become difficult for them to get out. And I think it's a good thing. That's just something new that has been recently started here, and the idea is just absolutely brilliant. I think so, in my opinion. So, yeah, those are just some of the things I do, and I will, like I said, I will be doing that tomorrow and getting out like that and stuff. And after that, tomorrow I have to shoot to Walmart. I hope you guys come along with me as I do a little bit of shopping. I have a couple things, maybe more than a couple things I need to pick up, but I do got to go to Walmart because I'm fresh out of laundry detergent. I need more of that, fabric softener, and Clorox. I know those three things I need to pick up, and probably a few more grocery items that I need to pick up as well while I'm there. But we will be going grocery shopping at the end of the week. But these are just things that are very necessary for me to go ahead and get, that's already on my list. So therefore, I'm going to do that. So you guys, hope you come along. And I will say, if I do know sometimes when I go to Walmart and I'm trying to make a video or a live stream or whatever, there's some music playing and I can't make that video. I can't. So if I am able to silence the video and do a voiceover, I'll try to do that. See, I've never done that before, but I know how to do it. But, I just want you guys to see what the prices are at Walmart and how things have gotten so high. I mean, it's unbelievable. It's believable, but it's unbelievable how high things have gotten. The food, the meats. You know, people are struggling right now at this very moment. They are really having a hard time with that. And gas has gone up. It's coming down gradually, slowly. I don't know how much more, but it has come down, maybe 20 or 30 cents. I can see a difference between this week versus last week. Okay, I can see just a little bit of a difference. However, things are still astronomically high. Anywhere you go, or any state that you go here in the United States, it is high. The gas is high, and the food is high, and everything else is high. It's higher than I've ever seen it before. It is. So, you guys, yeah, so I will be showing you some prices in the meat area. I wanted to see what's affordable, because if I do get some meats, it'll probably only be 1 or 2 packs, and that's it, to get me by until we can go grocery shopping at the end of the week. See what I'm saying? So, yeah, we're gonna see what I'm working with. Even if I may have to go to another store, I may leave Walmart and go to Food Lion and see what their prices are and compare, because in an economy like this, you want a budget and you want to stretch your money in a way where it's going to benefit your family. So yeah, I will be doing that tomorrow. So yeah, I hope you guys just come along with me, join me on my journey, in my day-to-day, what I do, the places I go, and just ride along with me. Okay? So, yeah, but anyway, I am trying to finish up these clothes, so that afterwards I can put them away and have everything organized the way they're supposed to be. Okay? I just didn't realize I had that many, and a lot of them are my husband's work clothes. So I am getting things done. Okay? Yeah, so with that being said, you guys, I am going to finish up what I'm doing, and perhaps I will just end this video, and until the next one, I hope that you guys have a good day.